Today we'll see how to do coloring for elementary intermediate grade examination. I've already done the composition. It is for Raksha Bandhan. Topic is can be any Indian festival or Raksha Bandhan or your favorite festival. For such topics, this sketch can be done. I'm using poster colors here. Taken chrome yellow and applied it for all the human figures and also for the ground. Memory drawing, the time is always you find it difficult to complete it. Children find it difficult लगता है complete करने के लिए. तो incomplete ना होने के लिए ये एक this way if we are painting, like giving wash of one particular color, तो अगर इन केस आपका कुछ काम इनकम्प्लीट रह जाता है तो भी वो ज़्यादा दिखाई नहीं देता है. After completing wash, I have completed the background, that is for the wall, and I've given straight strokes, standing strokes, vertical strokes for the wall. After that, I've started completing clothes, human figures. So when I'm applying all these colors, I'm taking white, I'm mixing white color with each and every color and then applying it. Now blue, I have taken light blue plus little white I added and then I have used it. Then white plus black, little black. Complete one particular figure properly and then go to the next figure. Light, medium, dark tone, finish it and then go. Finishing touch later at the end will give. Now here also in magenta I have added little bit white and then I have used it. So this way it is advised to add white in each color and then apply it. This is one of the way to paint it. It's not the only way. There are various methods we can use. That is, if we are working with watercolors, then patchwork can be done, or normal water paintings can be done. This I'm using poster colors and giving opaque effect. And when we apply white in particular, when we add white in particular color na poster colors, the application is very smooth. Application बहुत smooth हो जाता है. So it is good to use white and whatever color you wish. Now for the skin, as I'm completed all the faces, we are beginning with the face now. Ochre yellow plus white I have taken. The shades can be different for all human figures. Brown plus white, ochre yellow plus white. Now for the furniture I have mixed blue, green and white. For the hair we need to use brown and black color. Do not use directly black color. Brown plus black color. You can increase the quantity of brown as and when, however you want it. Try to use minimum colors. Do not have so many shades. With limited shades, try to complete your composition. Now we have started with the finishing touch. So I have added darker tone. So blue plus magenta I have added, violet I got. Then dark green for the top. Same way blue we'll add for the yellow we have added orange. And take thin brush with a good tip. After completing it, once it is dried, then we will outline it with sketch pen I have taken, because I have used white color, so if I'll use marker, the marker will get stuck in between. So it is advised, if we have used poster colors, then outline it with sketch pen if we are outlining it later. So I've used a sketch pen for outlining it. Outline each and everything properly. I've added shadow there and our composition is ready. I hope you all like it.